I have to take advantage of every opportunity. It's hustle culture. I must stay productive. I must accept all opportunities. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. This is a pendulum trap. You have to say no. You have to say no. Did you catch that? The mind was following the old script, but the nervous system, the heart, was signing truth. Welcome to the Twin Channel Protocol. Today, we're going to be clearing the static of the forced yes. Hi, I'm Denny Van. I have been an interpreter for 30 years. Right now, I'm using transliteration. I'm borrowing ASL signs in English order. I've been a certified transliterator since 2001. And it's my privilege to share this information. I love human design, hypnosis, and going down the rabbit hole of the mind. And I want to share what happens when we're always saying yes to everything. And when you're chasing that yes, sometimes the yes goes further and further away. And so, what we want to do is position our nervous system in a space where these things come to us naturally, without the chase, without the forced yes. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. And today in this lesson, showing both sides, what the mind is saying, what the heart is saying. And in this dual channel, me as a double Gemini, that means my sun is Gemini and my moon is Gemini. And my rising is Leo. So I'm kind of including that energy, if you will, that energy, and it helps me to slow down. Uh, Transliterating really helps me slow down the mind because a double Gemini, there's a lot of people living in this body. So signing helps me slow down. And also, I have a variety of people who follow me. So in this series, I want to show how both sides are already you and how you can connect to them without causing a cognitive dissonance, if you will. And you feel that within your own nervous system. So, whatever resonates with you, go ahead and experiment on yourself. If it doesn't resonate with you, go ahead and keep scrolling. Uh, we don't mind. So, this new idea of this dual channel protocol is really based on my four-part framework. And we talk about number one of the four parts. Number one is awareness. But what does that mean, awareness? When you have an opportunity that opens up, and your mind wants to say yes to it, but your heart is saying no. How do you know? How do you know if it's just not only fear of stepping out of your comfort zone, or if that opportunity is not a good fit for you, maybe your energy type? So for me in human design, I'm a 5/1 manifester, emotional, left angle cross of education. I can't help but educate people. It's in my energy. So what I do is research a lot of things. That's the one of the 5/1. So I go down rabbit holes and do a lot of research. And at the same time, my 5, that's the conscious side. I'm aware of this side, the heretic. I'm starting to apply this part of me in a more positive way. Whereas before understanding my human design, I would let the heretic kind of take over and sabotage me. So get me off my path, distract me. So I've learned through discovering my own energy type and how it works with other energy types. So there's 5 different energy types. And I talk about a video, I talk about that in detail in a video about the 5 different energy types, equating it to a car. So go and check that out if you want to learn more. So the forced yes, really it requires you to get out of your mind because the mind is going to want to say yes to everything and get a little bit more in your people say center, breath, get into your breath. Give yourself time and space between having to answer yes, especially if something in your heart is saying no, because you don't want to go on a path where it's more problems like that are going to mirror the energy. We want to make sure that you are in alignment first with that instead of that becoming in alignment, with you and your values, your goals, your wants, your needs. So becoming clear that yes means yes, no means no, and discovering yourself what it means to have a hell yes inside your heart and your mind. They come together and it's just a beautiful play out and it's almost magical, and that it even happened that way. So we've all experienced that ourselves, but how do we stay in that way? Take time for yourself. Make sure you're hydrated, drinking enough water for your body, and make sure that you're rested and your heart is in a good place. Because if the heart is already complaining, stop, listen, internal listening. What's happening in the 3D realm is constantly changing. Get centered and focused on what direction you want to go in. Then what becomes yes becomes clear. So give yourself the time to do that and take 2 to 5 minutes if you can. You know what? Take the 2 to 5 minutes and you'll see the results. It doesn't take much. All right, so with that, the case of the forced yes, being forced into a yes, take some time. Make sure that you're applying your tools. I know with our group, Reality Transurfing, we'll put the name of it in the book. That book, we talk about different tools you can use to change the mirror world, the 3D world. And it starts inside and using tools like renting yourself out. That means you're there to do a job that you said yes to. That means you're going to show up without complaining and you're going to do the job. And then you're going to leave and thank it without the thought and heart noise, without the complaining, without the I should have, I could have, I would have. Without any of those things, rent yourself out. You are giving time for money. Go through the process without the bullshit inside. Okay, so if you're already said yes to something, go through the process with your heart and mind together. Like, I said yes to this, I mean yes. When I say yes to something, I mean yes. If you can do that, success will follow you. Because if you notice, ghosting is a thing now. People say, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. And then they're gone. Most people don't even show up. If you say yes to showing up, things will happen. Success will happen. Okay, so with that said, if you want to learn about your energy type, your blueprint, if you will, definitely check it out. We have a free download. You need the date you were born, the time you were born, and the location for a detailed blueprint chart. And you can get that for free. We'll leave a link down below for that. And with that said, let me know. We have more topics coming up, but let me know what resonated with you. Let me know what you want to learn more about. And we have more coming. And let me know where you're watching from in the comments. So I'd love to see those. And if you notice, I am not AI, I am signing. AI can't have a 3 in front of the face. So AI can't do this, or jail. AI's in jail when it comes to this. Can't do this. So I'm signing, speaking at the same time using transliteration, and it's talking to your nervous system. If you don't know the signs, if you know the signs, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you on the next one.